Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Andoks Litson Manok franchise business package ideas. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for Andoks Litson Manok franchise business package ideas. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoako@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1, company profile. Number 2, Andoks products. Number 3, ideal locations. Number 4, franchise requirements. Number 5, franchise packages. Number 6, franchise package inclusions. Number 7, contact information. And number 8, frequently asked questions. For the company profile, Andoks Litson Manok started with just one outlet in West Avenue, Quezon City in 1985. Due to its popularity, more shops were opened within Metro Manila in the next few years. It expanded in Visayas on 2022 when it launched its shops in Cebu. Currently, Andoks has 300 outlets all over the Philippines. Andoks is a pioneer in this industry. It is primarily engaged in the business of selling lechon manok or roasted chicken. Over time, Andoks had evolved and added a new concept to its main business of offering roasted chicken, and that is the concept of specialty grocery store offering a host of products, including beer, an assortment of beverages, rice, sugar, and other grocery products. For the Andoks products, Andoks offers its patrons the best quality lechon manok and dokito frito. In addition, Andoks also offers wide variety of choices, namely lechon liempo, bangus, pork barbecue, pork charap, lechon kawali, kawali royal, crispy pata, pork sinigang, beef steak rice, beef rice, chicken leg quarter, pork sisig, chop suey, all-day breakfast meals such as beef tapa egg rice, bangus fish egg rice, corned beef egg rice, tocino egg rice, and longanisa egg rice, and desserts such as banana con hielo, mais con hielo, and leche plan. The ideal locations for Andok store. Ideal shop locations or those that are visible and accessible from major thoroughfares such as passenger terminals of public transport systems, shopping malls, commercial districts, business districts, and generally areas with high foot and vehicle traffic. For the franchise requirements, for those who are interested in franchising Andok store, kindly submit the following pre-qualification requirements. Number 1, letter of intent specifying the exact location, size, and other details of the proposed site. Indicate also if owned or leased. Number 2, location map of your proposed site. Number 3, applicant's personal resume with 2x2 colored picture and contact numbers. Number 4, character references with contact numbers not related to the applicant. Number 5, bank certification with authorization or waiver for credit check. And lastly, number 6, certificate of employment if applicable. For the franchise packages, for a takeout shop, the franchise fee is worth 300,000 pesos for a term of 3 years and renewable for another 3 years depending on the store performance. The required space is approximately 40 to 50 square meters. Number 2, for dine-in option franchise fee is worth 500,000 pesos for a term of 5 years. Depending on the store performance, the franchise can be renewed for another 5 years. The required space is approximately 200 to 250 square meters. For the franchise package inclusions, number 1, the right to use their trademark, name, and logo. Number 2, startup and pre-opening assistance. Number 3, store design and construction assistance. Number 4, Franchise Operations Manual. Number 5, Business Management, Operations, and Customer Service Training. Number 6, an established brand image and nationwide advertising support. Number 7, continuous product development and innovation. And number 8, economical pricing for ingredients, equipment, and supplies. For the contact information, you may contact Andoks Food Corporation with the address Corazon Tiero Javier Building, number 24 Bulacan Street, Barangay Bungad West Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. You may contact them with the telephone number 632-372-4033, local 114. And their fax number is 632-413-8201. You may send them an email at franchise@andokscorp.com and customer_service@andokscorp.com. You may visit their website at http://www.andokscorp.com. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. How much is the initial investment for Andoks Litson Manok? Answer: in addition to the franchise fees of 300,000 for takeout store and 500,000 for dine-in, investment on construction, equipment furnishings, space lease, staff wages, business licenses, and initial working capital use to purchase supplies are also expected. Cost may vary depending on outlet size and location of the business. Question number 2. Will franchisees receive training? Answer: yes. For franchisees of dine-in stores, the owner or franchisee and employees shall receive extensive training on the store's operations for no less than 15 days, including 5 days at Andoks head office, 10 days at a company-owned shop premises, and additional 5 days during the soft opening of the franchisee store. Question number 3. Where will the franchisee source out supplies and ingredients? Answer: stock supplies and ingredients will be provided and sourced from the Andoks production facility pre-portioned, marinated, and ready for cooking. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Andoks Litson Manok today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.